Well, the room is looking crazy and your mind is feeling tight. You've been telling yourself for ages, you know I'll clean, just not tonight. But the pile keeps on growing and the day keeps slipping through. So start where you're standing, honey, that's all you gotta do. Start where you're standing. Don't you wander around the place. Just pick up something near you, put that clutter in its face. When the blues come creeping, and you don't know what to do, just start where you're standing, baby. The rest will follow through. You ain't gotta clean the world, ain't gotta make it all shine bright. Just grab the closest item and set that thing up right. One little move gets you moving, then two turns into 10. Lord, the magic starts a cleaning. Once you just begin, start where you're standing. Don't you drift from place to place. Just fix what's right beside you. Put that mess back in its space. When your heart feels heavy, and your will is feeling blue, start where you're standing, baby. It's enough to pull you through. Don't look at the whole big picture. You ain't climbing no mountain today. Just clean that little circle around you. That's an easy cleaning way. So when the chaos starts to holler and you feel that old dread too, just start where you're standing, sugar, and the blues will carry you through.